Hello, my name is Dr. Ghaffer Kiani and I am an associate professor in the field of electronics engineering. Today I will explain you about what is energy saving glass. Energy crisis is looming everywhere in the world, as we know, and energy crisis is also affecting our world. There are many ways to tackle this issue. However, one of the ways which has been used in the modern building architecture is to use energy saving glass. Energy saving glass is a special kind of glass which has a special coating on one side or both sides to protect it or protect the building from the heat. There are two types of energy saving glass. One is called hard coat and the other is called soft coat. So here with me I have both the samples, but before I get into this, let me show you just the ordinary glass. So this is in my hands. This is just an ordinary glass. It has no coating on sides, and this is basically used in the windows, or sometimes even the buildings nowadays, the modern buildings, they have the full glass. The glass portion is more than the other one. So this glass is the ordinary glass. This glass has no coating. When we put this glass inside or in a window, this will definitely stop the heat, but this heat stoppage, the property is not that well. So if we are using air conditioner or a heating system inside home, depending on the weather condition, this glass will not be able to control the heat as required. To make this glass energy efficient, there is another glass which is called energy saving glass. I have a sample here. Here is the energy saving glass, and the reflection can show you there is a very thin coating on one side of the glass. This coating is very good in providing the thermal efficiency. That means now the sun heat or the heat waves passing through this glass will be stopped. There will be an attenuation, and this attenuation will make this glass efficient, and the building will stay cooler in summer and hotter in winter. This coating is called hard coat. This is called hard coat because this coating is basically either silver or aluminum. There can be some other components to the coating, but this is a very thin coating and it's hard. So even if I scratch or if I handle the glass, this glass will not be damaged. So this glass can be used just as a single glass, and this will give us energy efficiency based on what type of coating is on this particular glass. However, the countries or the places where the weather is very extreme and we need more efficiency, we need more thermal efficiency, we want to make our rooms or our building betterly saved or secured from the heat, then there is another type of glass which is called energy saving glass with soft coat, and this is double glazed. Double glazed means that it has two glass. One is the ordinary glass, the other is a energy saving glass with soft coating, and the soft coating is inside the gap here. The reason for the soft coating is as in the hard coat we have metal, however here we have metal oxide. It's like a powder. So by touching or by handling it, this surface can go bad or it can be affected. So this is the reason that the coating side is inside this particular double glazed glass. This is from one of the energy saving glass manufacturing companies, and there is a gap in between and this one glass on one side, this is the ordinary glass, and then the coated glass on the other side, while the coating is basically inside. So that means that this, by handling the glass, this particular glass, there will be no damage to the coating. So this type of double glazed glass will provide extra protection against heat. And in the countries where there is either the weather are very extreme, either on the cooler side or the hot side, these sort of glass windows are being used. This will save us a lot of energy. So the amount of heating or cooling which we are using inside a home or inside a building will be considerably reduced, because the energy is not escaping through the window, because window is in a building is the place where most of the electromagnetic waves are passing through. The walls are not conducting as much as the windows. Nowadays in the building architecture, there is all glass. There are many buildings now in the world where they are using only glass. It gives it a beauty, and also it saves a lot of energy. So this type of glass, energy saving glass, is being used everywhere in the world nowadays for energy efficiency, to save electrical energy. But there is one associated problem related to both of these energy saving glass. And one of the big problem is that the coating on one side of the glass is also attenuating RF and microwave signals. That means that the mobile phone signals, that is the GSM 900 or 1800, 2G, 3G, 4G mobile phones, all the signals plus the TV and the radio signals will also be blocked. And to give a solution to this problem, frequency selective surfaces, aperture type or band pass frequency selective surfaces, can be etched on the coated side of the glass to pass those particular RF and microwave signals while keeping the thermal efficiency as much as high as possible. This topic I will explain in my next video. If this video has been helpful for you, then please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. Until the next video, goodbye.